Are you struggling with anxiety? We're here to help. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and techniques to manage your anxiety. Anxiety can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can regain control. Let's explore some effective techniques together. Deep breathing exercises are a powerful tool to calm your mind and body. Take a moment to focus on your breath and let go of tension. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Take a moment to observe your surroundings and embrace the present moment. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce anxiety. Find an exercise that you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Connecting with others who understand your struggles can provide support and comfort. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups to share your experiences. Taking breaks and engaging in activities you enjoy can help reduce stress and anxiety. Find a hobby or pursue interests that bring you joy. Practicing self-care is essential for managing anxiety. Take time to prioritize your well-being and engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with positive affirmations can help shift your mindset and reduce anxiety. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. Finding relaxation techniques that work for you is key to managing anxiety. Explore different methods and discover what brings you peace and calmness. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small victory along the way. You're stronger than you think. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips and techniques help you on your journey to managing anxiety. Remember, you're not alone.